Okay. Hey guys, we're about to go fishing. It's about 6:40, 6:50.
It's early.
And we're gonna head, we're in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and we're gonna head, where's your property?
Carthage.
We're gonna head to Carthage.
Hartsville/Carthage, Tennessee.
That's all you get because you're not getting our secret spots.
And we got the, how do I switch this? We got all the gear right here. We got just 2 packs, 3 packs and 3 fishing poles, minimalistic. But we'll see you guys when we get to the spot. Okay, we need to introduce ourselves first. So this.
Hey, I'm Steele, the oldest of the brothers.
I'm Cash. I'm second down of the brothers.
And I'm Derek. I'm not a Myers, but I'm semi-adopted.
He's AKA Big Love.
Big love, baby.
We're headed now to Derek's dad's house, and we got our little good luck charm here. Little Nessie, the Loch Ness Monster. Hopefully,
Cash is known as the gingerbread man.
but we're hopefully gonna catch a big smallmouth today.
Hopefully nothing. We're gonna catch a monster.
The goal is 18 to 20 inches. Derek, last time we were here, caught a freaking 19-incher. It was insane. But we're gonna make it happen today.
Here, yeah, just set it to the side.
We went over and got us some McDonald's while the other guys are going in Dollar General to get us water and stuff. Breakfast of champions. We just got to the magic spot. It's around 8:15 and we're probably going to be picked up at 11 by Derek's dad. But we're ready, we're excited.
Here you go.
We're going to catch some monster fish. Steele, what are you putting on?
I don't know.
First.
Probably gonna throw on power craw.
I'm probably just
tried and true.
Probably just gonna use this hard bait until we get to whenever. But we'll come back when we catch the first fish.
See if I can pull him out of that brush pile.
Steele swears there's a fish in here, but I'm stuck, so I can't enjoy any of the good fishing.
Yes. Oh man, come on, baby.
Getting a little antsy.
I got a good bite.
Man, if I had my Rebel crawdad that I put on, I'd be catching a big monster right now.
Here we go. Watch this.
Shout out to Rebel. If you want to sponsor us, hit us up. Well, it's about 65 degrees this morning. Cash decides to hang up his bait in the deepest hole in the whole creek. Water's probably 65 degrees, about air temperature. Get it? I told ya. Wasn't as bad as I thought it'd be. I'm gonna have to give you some casting lessons.
Whatever.
Cash just pulled in a monster for the creek. Let me see.
Got my freaking finger.
That's probably
Here, I'll
that's
see.
13, 14.
I can tell what it is by my arm.
Mm-hmm.
That's 14. 14
It's a
and
solid
a half.
14. That's a good fish.
That's a cool fish. It didn't even fight hard either. It just.
First big fish of the day, baby.
That was nice.
Uh-oh. Big Love,
Get it.
catch us something.
Here, one sec. Big love. I don't know how our fishing trip is going so far. Steele's got hooked up once. I lost a swivel in my Jake spinner bait that I spent $4 on, and then my Rebel crawdad. I just banged it up against a tree while I was casting on accident, and it just broke, snapped off. Not well made or something. Yeah. What? Think I was talking to you, Derek?
No, look.
Oh, he just found my crawdad. Look at. Here, one sec. Pass it.
I just found it floating in the water.
He found it floating in the water. It just broke right here. And I don't have the patience to glue it back on, so I don't know. I might keep it still, though. But I was saying good things. Yeah, keychain. I was saying good things about the company, but then it just broke right as I turned off the camera, so I don't know. But it's a piece of plastic, what can you do? Shouldn't have banged it up against a tree. So I've caught that 15-incher. Derek caught about a 10-inch, 8, 10. And then I caught one, but it got off as I casted. Steele's over there retrieving a bait, and then I casted. I casted up in a tree, lost one. But yeah, Steele didn't lose his. He's just got on a crawdad, so I put on a pop bar and hopefully it'll catch something. But we'll see when that happens.
Oh my
That's nice.
gosh. That's
is-
pretty big. That's 16, 17 inches.
Let me see.
Nice.
That's pushing 16.
We got a tape.
That's 16. Yeah, get the tape. And we can
Oh,
weigh it
yeah.
too. Hold on. Holy, that was a fun fish.
I bet.
You good?
Yeah.
See it? Man. Here you go. Fish, that's a new PR. Let him go. Oh. He's gone. Enjoying the view. I've caught too many big fish today. I'm gonna give them a chance.
I'll tell you what, you're pretty cocky, Cash, after the last few times I saw you crying.
Yeah. Steele's got his lure stuck in some trees. And then Derek hasn't been really saying much. Been not a lot of movement on the craw. Power craw. This is the best looking part of the river so far though. I'm gonna continue fishing and we'll see if we get anything big. Me and Steele both hooked on like a 15-incher. Two different ones, but I dragged it too hard and it spit it out. Steele's got one.
Freaking hell.
Oh, dang it.
About time.
Here, watch out.
Here in a sec, let me come up and show the catch of the day. Derek's caught one fish.
Steele's
now at one.
3 hours in.
3 hours in. I'm at 2. But the 2 I caught were okay size fish.
Really?
They were okay. Not record breaking or anything. Oh man.
Get out of there. Monster, baby!
Said goodbye to little Smalley.
Oh well.
See ya.
Thank you. Heavenly Father's looking out for me.
Right now, Derek's dad and Steele are headed to plant a food plot. And then they left me and Derek behind with the razor. We're gonna go head up and follow them, put some trail cameras out for the deer this season. Craig, Derek's dad, said he saw an 8-pointer rubbing on some trees, so hopefully they can harvest that this year maybe, if luck is in their way. Found a whitetail scraping right there on this 130-acre plot. Beautiful land. We're on a razor right now, me and Derek.
You're a great filmer.
Thank you. planted 2 rows of wheat for the winter for the deer. Then we set up at least 3 trail cameras, and now we're headed to set up more. It's really a beautiful property. It's mountainous like everywhere. Derek just caught this monster out of the pond. That's crazy. What were you using?
Rattle trap.
Yeah,
Rattle trap.
Is that like that other one you caught?
Red rattle
Yeah,
trap,
that's
black
probably
on
about
top.
Close to him.
That's 15, 16 incher.
How much does it weigh?
Maybe big. No, it's bigger than that. 16. That's a solid 16.
It's huge.
Pretty good. Do you want to see the release?
Release.
Here we go.
Golly, man.
Oh yeah.
One season into the next, and you're always doing something. You're planting, cultivating, plow, harvesting,
that breaks
and then
down.
fertilizing, spraying, and then fixing everything that breaks down. It's just never ending.
Me and Steele, we just got back from our Tennessee trip. We're back in Indiana. It's beautiful out here. But we had a great time fishing and at the farm with the Burnants. We're happy they could invite us, and even though we didn't catch a lot of fish, we caught some big monsters. So thank you for watching our video, and subscribe, and hopefully we can have more content out for you in a little bit.